Welcome to San Remo. Today I show you the brand new development VISTAMAR. VISTAMAR is a luxury complex with only 25 apartments. It is in a great location, right next to the sandy beaches and the long cycle path along the sea. The building is made with high-quality materials from top luxury firms, which means excellent comfort, great temperature control, great soundproofing, and a peaceful atmosphere. It remains only 2 apartments, so come with me and don't miss it. As we walk inside, we arrive in an entrance hall that is very simple and elegant. It immediately gives you a feeling of cleanness and modern style. This is the living room that is the best part of the apartment. It is a space that is very bright thanks to the large windows that open the view through the garden and the sea. You can enjoy this view every single day. It's the perfect spot to relax, work, or entertain your friends. These windows are not just beautiful, they are also perfect to isolate the heat and the noise from outside. Next to the living area, we have the kitchen space. It is practical, modern, and ready to be customized as you prefer. Your private seafront terrace is ready for you. Here we are in the first double bedroom. It faces the sea, so you can wake up with a bright light and a peaceful view. It is not a master bedroom without an ensuite bathroom. Come with me. What a beautiful bathroom. We have marble for the floor. It is the Emperador dark marble here. It is the Emperador light. And then the finishes also form Antonio Lupi, Italian style. And here we are in the second double bedroom, which opened into an inner outdoor space. And here we have the second bathroom with same finishes, and in this case a shower instead of a bathtub. Today I presented you the VISTAMAR complex. The complex has been finalized in 2023 by Marzocco company. If you want more details, price, size, don't hesitate to ask us in the comments.